Hello students. In previous class we started the 9th class chapter coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, whenever if you have basic concept, that concept in previous class we discussed that one. We the follow the coordinate geometry René Descartes. In the follow the coordinate geometry. Okay, when doing the coordinate geometry, we have dealing with the geometry as well as algebra. Okay, interlink with the algebra and geometry, we will frame the coordinate geometry. Who framed that one? René Descartes. René Descartes is a Greek mathematician. Okay, whenever if you want to write deal with the coordinate geometry, we should frame a Cartesian plane. What is meant by Cartesian plane? If you take a plane, by drawing perpendicular lines, one and each other, the plane will be divided into four parts. Okay, whenever if you take a plane means a flat surface. If you take a plane, in that plane we have to draw the two perpendicular lines each other. Two perpendicular lines means those having the angle 90 degrees between those. And then the plane is divided into four parts. That plane is called Cartesian plane. That plane is called a Cartesian plane. In Cartesian plane, each portion, four parts are formed. Already we know. Those names are called quadrants. What we can call it? Quadrants. Quadrant. Each part is called a quadrant. In each quadrants are denoted by letter Q. While denoting the quadrants, we will follow the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, first this is the quadrant 1. Quadrant 1, this is the quadrant 2. This is the quadrant 2. This is the quadrant 3. This is the quadrant 4. Okay, two lines perpendicular to each other. Okay, they are meeting at one point. That point is called origin. This is the origin. This is the origin. Origin is denoted by letter O. Okay, the coordinate point. Coordinate means two numbers are joined, separated with comma and placed between the small bracket. That is called the order pair. Okay, this is 0, 0. The order pair origin is 0, 0. Whenever if you take an order pair, first one is x-axis related, next one is y-axis related. Okay, x-axis and y-axis don't confuse. Okay, this is a horizontal line. Horizontal line we can take as x-axis. Vertical line we can take as y-axis. Horizontal, vertical. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called the y-axis. Okay, from in a horizontal line, okay, zero right side we can take positive numbers 1, 2, 3. 0 left side we can take -1, -2, -3. Here left side. Similarly, vertical line 0 above we can take positive numbers -1, 2, 3. 0 below we can take -1, -2, -3. Horizontal, vertical. Okay, whenever if you want to differentiate numbers, we will take it. This is x, this is x power 1. This is y, this is y power 1. While representing the axis names, we use capital letters only. Okay, in Q1 having order pair. How it is x will be positive, y will be positive. Q2, quadrant 2. In quadrant 2, how will be x value negative, y value is positive. In Q3, okay, Q3, how will be x value negative, y value how will be positive or negative? Negative. Don't forget that one. Negative. Okay, these coordinate related questions also available in exercise. That's why I am repeating it. Okay, Q4 means x axis is positive, y axis is negative. negative. Okay, and in Q1 both are positive. Q2 x is positive negative. X is negative. In Q2 x is negative. In Q3 both are negative. In Q3 both are negative. Okay, in Q1 both are positive. In Q3 both are negative. Okay, in Q1 Q3 both are same sign. Q1 both are positive. Q3 both are negative. Q2 in Q2 x is negative. In Q2 x is negative. In Q4 y is negative. In Q4 y is negative. Okay, that one you have to remember. Whenever if you take a order pair, each order pair having x coordinate, that is first one is called the x coordinate, second one is called the y coordinate. X coordinate, y coordinate. Okay, x coordinate, y coordinate. By taking a order pair, we have two numbers. Okay, for example, x and y related numbers are there. Okay, they always first number is x is related, x coordinate. The second number is always y axis related, y coordinate. This is called abscissa. This is called abscissa. First one in order pair, first one is called the abscissa. Second one is called the ordinate. Abscissa, ordinate. Okay, if you take a order pair, when we say order pair, two numbers are separated with the comma and between the those are available in the between the small brackets. Then that is called order pair. Every order pair is having two parts. One part is called abscissa, another part is called ordinate. Okay, first number is always abscissa. First number is always abscissa. First number is always abscissa. Second number is always ordinate. Second number is always ordinate. Second number is always ordinate. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, now we will do the exercise 5.1 already location identification. Rows, columns. In previous class I told that one follow and do that one. Exercise 5.1. Now we will discuss the exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Page number 116. Page number 116. Exercise 5.2. 5.1 identify the location. 5.2. Okay, like it is given. Okay, one picture is given to you. Now these are called the columns. These are the columns. These are the rows. Okay, by following this picture, we have to answer the 5 questions. Only one number is there, 5 questions is there. For those 5 questions, we can do yourself. Okay, that is the first exercise. In first exercise, only one sum is there. That also diagram related questions are there. Okay, what is the first question? What is the third object from the left side? Like that, simple questions only they given. We have to follow and do yourself. Okay, 5.2. First one. Okay, write the quadrant. Write the quadrant in which the following point lies. So here is nearly 8 questions are given to you. I will discuss some difficult only. First one. I have already 8 questions. Only some questions I will discuss. Remaining 2 is over. These are the questions. What is the question then? Write the quadrant. Write the quadrant in which the point lies. Okay, we have four quadrants. By drawing a quadrant, by framing a quadrant plane, we have four quadrants. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. In those quadrants, the given points are located at which quadrant? We have to identify. Okay, first we have to take this one. Okay, this one, first one is a negative or positive? Negative. Next one, positive or negative number? Positive. One is negative. For x-axis negative means which quadrant? To do this sum, we have to frame the axis. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, both are positive. Q3, both are negative. Both are negative. Q4, that means these are the positive, plus. These also plus. These also minus. These also minus. Okay. That means here minus plus. This is a plus minus. Okay. These are the hard to remember. Okay. Q1 having both are positive. Q3 having both are negative. Q2 having x is negative. X is negative. Q2. Q2 x is negative. Q4 y is negative. Q4 y is negative. Why I am saying like that? We have to remember this table. We can do the sums very easy. Now we can say one is plus, one is minus, one is positive. Then it is located in which quadrant here? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Negative, positive. Negative, positive means Q2. Similarly, for this we have to take first one is plus number, minus number, plus number. Second one, minus number, plus to minus. Which location it is? Where it is located? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Plus to minus. Plus to minus. Q4, Q4. Next go for the this one too. Both are positive. Which is this one also do yourself. Both are negative. Negative means which are coordinate? Q2 and Q3. It is correct only. Negative. Q3. Okay. Then positive. Q1. Okay, positive, Q1. Next one. Here, if you say here 0 minus 8. 0 having where positive or negative? 0 is there means that lies on x-axis or y-axis. 0, 1 in these four questions, one number is 0. One ordered coordinate is 0. Whenever one coordinate is 0, then those ordered pairs lies on x-axis. 0 comma minus 8. 0 comma minus 8. Which axis number is given? X or y? Y axis number is given. Y given. Okay. Which axis number is given to you? That axis. On that axis, that order will lie. Y axis. Next, 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 means which axis number? 1 is 0. Then which axis number is given here? X axis given. That means lies on x-axis. This lies on y-axis. Okay, minus 4 comma 0. 0, one number is 0. One number is 0 is given to you. That will not related to Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. That lies on any one other axis. X-axis or y-axis. Okay, minus 4 comma 0. Which axis number is given? Which coordinate is given? X coordinate given. X coordinate given means lies on x axis. Lies on x axis. Okay, next 0 comma minus 6. 0, 1 number is 0. Which axis? Which coordinate is given? Y coordinate given. Y. That means y is on y axis. Y axis. Okay, similar these models only. Do this yourself. Okay, example some these are 3 comma minus 6 lies on which coordinate? 0 comma minus 8, minus 2 comma minus 7, 8 comma minus 3, minus 2 comma 0. Okay, these 5 which lies on which coordinate or which axis we have to identify. Do your work. This is one sum, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. This is okay. We will go for the second one. Second one very easy. What that one? Write the axis and ordinate. Write axis and ordinate of following. Write axis and ordinate of the following. Okay, see here. First question. 4 comma minus 8. Okay, it is axis is what? Ordinate is what? Already we told. First number is called axis. First number is called axis. Okay, first which is located, that is called axis. Second which is located, that is called ordinate. That means here axis equal to first number which is 4. Axis is 4. Ordinate means second number which is minus 8. Ordinate is minus 8. Next similarly 0 comma 13. 0 comma 13. 0 comma 13. In this also we have to write a axis or ordinate. Okay, blindly you have to remember first number is called axis, second number is called ordinate. Okay, axis is 0 because first coordinate, and ordinate is 13. Just identify first number is called axis, second number is ordinate. Okay, do your one. These sums they given. Second one 0 comma 0. Fourth one 5 comma 0. Just identify first number is called axis, second number is called ordinate. That only answer. Minus 8. Okay. Axis ordinate. Next one, third one. Look at here, third one. Which of the following lies on axis? Also name the axis. Name the axis. Okay, here some other places are given to you. Which are lies on axis? Already first one model only, but they given little bit a different question. They first one identify the coordinate they asked, but here they asked which are the following lies on the axis. Axis lies means one coordinate should be 0. or both coordinates should be 0. One coordinate should be 0 or two coordinates should be 0. Okay, in the first one 5 comma minus 8, second one 0 comma 13. All sums I will not discuss here. Some more sums only I will discuss. Minus 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 2. Fourth one minus 2 comma 0. 0 fifth one 0 comma minus 8. Sixth one 7 comma 0. Okay, if you want to say axis, one coordinate should be 0. Whenever if you two coordinates should be 0, lies on RN. Okay, you see here. Two numbers are there is either Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, identify yourself. My 5 comma minus 8. Which coordinate is it? Okay, 0 comma minus 13. Okay, 0 is there. One coordinate is 0. Which coordinate is given? Y. Y given means which lies on y axis. Okay, which coordinate? Identify yourself. Plus minus means which coordinate? Q4. Plus minus Q4. Next we have one coordinate 0 given. One coordinate 0 given means that lies on axis. Which axis and coordinate is given? X axis. X related value given. That means lies on x axis. Do your own these two. Okay, last one. Both coordinates are 0. Both coordinates 0 means lies on origin. Completed. Okay, these sums we do your one. These 4 sums do your one. Okay, these are lies on which axis we have to identify. These two are coordinates. Already I told answers. Try yourself. Okay, next time we can continue the class.